Another heavy day, same fight. Bills on the table, no sleep last night. Try my best, but it feels like I fall. Praying for a way when I'm staring at the wall. Friends fade out when the road gets rough. Smiles turn fake when the times get tough. But deep in my soul, I still hear that call. Hold on tight, don't you lose it all. I've been walking through the fire, felt the rain, carrying burdens, drowning in pain. Dreams feel far, but I won't let go. Even in the dark, I still have hope. Mama said, son, keep your head up high. Even when it hurts, don't ask God why. Every setback builds a stronger man. So I wipe my tears and I rise again. Through the storm, through the rain, I believe. Every trial shaping who I'm meant to be. Hands to the sky, I surrender it all to the Most High God. I will never fall. Hard work, faith, yeah, I'm planting seeds. In His time, He'll provide what I need. Even when I don't understand His plan, I trust in Him and still I stand. Long nights grinding, no one sees. Sacrifices made just to chase these dreams. Lost some people on the way, it's true, but I found my strength when I leaned on you. Temptations calling, trying to pull me down, but I stay focused, I won't turn around. Every step forward I give you praise for the breath in my lungs and another day. Through the storm, through the rain, I believe. Every trial shaping who I'm meant to be. Hands to the sky, I surrender it all to the Most High God. I will never fall. Hard work, faith, yeah, I'm planting seeds. In His time, He'll provide what I need. Even when I don't understand His plan, I trust in Him and still I stand. Now I see why I walk that road. Every struggle carried a hidden goal. Turn my pain into something strong. Now my story can help someone hold on. So if you're broken and feeling low, just remember you're not alone. Give your life to the one above. He'll guide your path with endless love.